rebound, and Drouin couldn't hang on. Bumped ahead. Ogren feeds it up top. Wrist shot, score! Jake Middleton let it go. The Wild had a player parked right down there at the top of the crease, but I think this one off his skate, it will be Middleton's goal. Has Drouin with it. McKinnon's on side and trying to shed everybody. Sends it across. Girard back to McKinnon down the slot. Shot! Nathan McKinnon. Oh my goodness! Blackwood is right down on the ice. Jiricek, a stick handling move, gave it up, shot, score. What a shot by Boldy. Able to scoot it in. Send right back the other way. That's just a play where the Avs have to get that puck deep. Faber down the slot, shoots and scores. Brock Faber rips it home. Excellent transition by the Wild has taken them to a 3-1 lead.